Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Cognition introduces Devin, the AI software engineer, VIAVI Solutions launches INX 760 probe microscope, Uber introduces emission savings feature, Veira partners with Samsung to unveil Tizen OS in India, government announces AI GPU release at TiEcon Delhi 2024, Truecaller introduces next-gen ad formats for greater impact, Cisco partners with Karnataka government for cybersecurity training and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Cognition unveils Devin, the world's first AI software engineer capable of coding, creating websites, and software with just a single prompt. Devin is designed to assist human engineers rather than replace them, streamlining their work processes and making tasks easier. The AI tool has successfully passed engineering interviews from leading AI companies and has completed real jobs on platforms like Upwork. Devin stands out for its ability to plan complex tasks, make thousands of decisions, learn from mistakes, and improve over time. It offers a complete suite of tools, including a code editor and browser, and excelled in evaluations against the SWE bench coding benchmark. VIAVI Solutions introduces the INX 760 probe microscope, the first fully automated probe microscope in the market. The tool offers fast inspection and analysis of single, duplex, and multi-fiber connectors in applications like hyperscale data centers and telco distribution. It automates every step of the inspection process, delivering edge-to-edge field of view without compromising magnification or resolution. The INX 760 receives accolades, winning the 2024 Lightwave Innovation Reviews Award in the Field Test Equipment category. It marks VIAVI's eighth consecutive win, highlighting its commitment to innovation and excellence in the field of optical testing solutions. Uber launches the emission savings feature, allowing riders to track their carbon emissions saved by choosing Uber Green vehicles. The feature is available in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, and Bengaluru, where riders can book Uber Green, an all-electric vehicle ride category. Uber aims to promote sustainability by informing riders about their emissions and encouraging informed decisions. Riders can tap a button to see their emission impact, understand their savings, and learn how emissions are calculated. The feature aligns with Uber's commitment to becoming a zero-emission mobility platform, contributing to environmental sustainability. Veira, a leading OEM in TV manufacturing, collaborates with Samsung to introduce Tizen operating system in the Indian market. Tizen OS, one of the world's most widely used smart TV operating systems, elevates Indian smart TVs to international standards. The partnership aims to offer an intuitive home screen interface, personalized content suggestions, and premium entertainment experience. Samsung TV Plus provides access to 100 plus channels without subscriptions, enhancing user experience. Veira's partnership with Samsung underscores its commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology and premium entertainment solutions to Indian consumers. The government announces plans to release AI graphics processing unit GPUs under the rupees 10,372 crore AI mission in the next 18 to 24 months. The Fund of Funds for Startups FFS commits rupees 9,500 crore to promote new ventures in India. TiEcon Delhi 2024 serves as a platform for showcasing innovation and entrepreneurship with discussions on opportunities in various sectors. The event highlights the government's commitment to innovation and entrepreneurship with support for initiatives like Startup Mahakumbh, strategic partnerships, and award ceremonies recognize contributions to the startup ecosystem, emphasizing collaboration and innovation. Truecaller unveils innovative next-gen ad formats using video and animations to maximize brand recall and impact. The new ad solutions include click-to-experience, dual impact custom animation, carousel, and sponsored icons. Truecaller's advanced targeting capabilities enable accurate audience segmentation for personalized advertising. The platform's customization and engagement options provide brands with tools to deliver visually captivating ad experiences. The introduction of next-gen ad formats aims to enhance user engagement and brand visibility among Truecaller's vast user base. Cisco collaborates with Karnataka Innovation Technology Society (KITS) and the Government of Karnataka for cybersecurity training. Partnership aims to train 40,000 individuals with a focus on building job-ready cybersecurity skills and raising cyber awareness. Half of the trained workforce will be women, contributing to gender diversity in cybersecurity roles. The collaboration includes a Train the Trainers program to empower college faculties with cybersecurity knowledge. Cisco's contribution to curriculum development and training sessions reflect its commitment to bridging digital skill gaps and preparing India's workforce for future challenges. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hello and welcome to the weekly news recap. Here are the top 5 stories from this week. Bill Gates meets PM Modi for AI and global collaboration, focusing on health and climate initiatives. Airtel adopts recycled PVC sieves, cutting plastic and emissions for sustainability. Ola's Bhavish Agarwal launches Kritrim AI and multilingual chatbot, entering the AI landscape. India hits 820 million internet users with growth in OTT and rural contributions. IIT Madras launches platform for startup info, capital access and mentorship democratization.